Hello, and welcome back to another one of my daily vlogs. It's like 10:30 a.m. It's probably honestly the earliest I've woken up so far this week. And it's kind of just gonna be a easy day. I have work tonight, so that should be fun. I keep seeing people like all over social media post these like little Enneagram things, and I'm not even like sure which mine is, so I'm gonna take a test and find out. In the test, it says I'm a 99% match with 6, which is also known as the skeptic. 6s are preoccupied with security, seek safety, and like to be prepared for problems, which that actually sounds extremely accurate. That's like literally exactly what I do with my life. We're back in the messy bathroom to show you what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this like Golden Eagle shirt, this little Tennessee Tech shirt. My jeans are just these super ripped ones from American Eagle, and my shoes are just Reeboks, and my dirty clothes. Yeah. So that's kind of it. About to go to the library, do some stats homework. Yay! I'm in the car and it's like super creepy out because it's like about to rain, and yeah. It's just, which means I'm not gonna get my run in today, which is sad. So I'm at the dollar store, probably gonna get some stuff for a future video. And there's an old lady and an old dude. Yeah, that's just kind of the plan. Gonna see what else I can find. If there's anything cool in there, we'll see. So I got a little ice cream bar to eat, a Sprite, and I also got some little elastic little hair bands, and I got some other stuff for a video. So I'm hunting down a spray bottle. We didn't have one at Dollar Tree or Publix, so we're gonna test out Walmart. Hopefully I don't get kidnapped because this Walmart is super sketchy. So they had what I need at Walmart, so now I'm gonna go home and ice my knee. So now I'm just gonna eat my little thing of rice and watch some YouTube. Not sure what I'm gonna watch, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do a little stuff on Poshmark. This is what I have on my Poshmark currently. I just have these things, and I'm gonna share some stuff, work on it, need to get these things sold, so peep that. So pretty much my shirt for work is extremely wrinkly, so I'm gonna iron it, and of course I couldn't figure out how to get to my ironing board to stand up, so we're doing it on the floor. So I'm ready for work. I just have on pigtail braids, Kendra Scott necklace as usual, natural makeup, and that's it for like this is my work uniform. I just wear this white shirt. Honestly, it's just cheap from Walmart because I had to have it. Then my belt is from TJ Maxx and it's Calvin Klein. My pants are just these god-awful fitting pants from Old Navy, and then the god-awful shoes that hurt my feet really bad. But they're non-slip. Not really. I still like slip it, almost like bust it every 5 seconds at work. Hungry, like starving, didn't want to like cook anything. Got 2 cheeseburgers from McDonald's. I was kind of craving some junk food. So I just got out of work. It was an easy 4 hours. Barely anybody came in. So we shall see how tip out goes tonight. Let y'all know. And until then, it's time to go back to the apartment, eat dinner, and take a shower. So now I'm just kind of laying in bed because it hurts to stand. My knee is like all swollen from running because I pushed myself too hard too early in the week. So like my knee and my shin are kind of swollen. So that's fun. I'm probably gonna just take my medicines, Madville, go to bed. We'll see. Maybe read a little bit today until I watch some Brad Mondo, one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. I finished off my night by reading this book, Enchantment of Ravens by Margaret Rogerson, and I'm probably going to do a review on this when I finish it. But it'll probably be next week. Next week I'll probably have a review of this on the channel. But that's it for tonight, and I'm peacing out.